Located in the historic Max Factor building on Hollywood Boulevard is Tinseltown's time capsule. Well, it's one of the largest collections of Hollywood memorabilia. John Bartell here, making a little pit stop at the Hollywood Museum. If you were an A-list movie star in the 1930s through the 1970s, chances are you sat in one of these makeup studios at the Max Factor building.
Max Factor was Hollywood's makeup king. He was the man that gave all the movie stars their looks.
Donnell Dadigan is president of the Hollywood Museum, which is home to thousands of movie costumes and props dating back to the silent film era. And the reason they're all housed in the old Max Factor building is because you can't have a movie star without makeup.
If these walls could talk, the stories that they would tell.
Max Factor now comes to the laboratory testing ground.
Some of those stories include creating individual rooms with specific colors to come up with Marilyn Monroe's platinum blonde hair, Judy Garland's glow, and Joan Crawford's eyes. And to create those looks, Max Factor did a lot of experimenting. What is this thing?
Well, everyone always asks this. This is the beauty calibrator. And he has this contraption that measures all the characters and features on a person's face.
To this day, Max Factor's makeup is still used on movie stars, and his team often works with costume artists to get that perfect look. And you'll find some of those original costumes displayed throughout the museum.
The actors actually wore them. I don't know if you can find them elsewhere, but we're very proud to have them.
The Hollywood Museum regularly saves set pieces after filming. In the basement is the actual prison set from the movie Silence of the Lambs. And on the upper floor, you'll find sci-fi costumes from Star Wars and Planet of the Apes.
Exhibits here at the museum at any time showcasing more than 100 years of Hollywood history.
Movie stars no longer get made up in the old Max Factor building. Instead, their legacy is preserved here for all to see. From the Hollywood Museum, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.